Hey, have you ever tried a diet and it has failed you? You've lost some weight only to regain it back again, and you just can't find that balance. You can't find that consistency ultimately, right? And we know that consistency is such a huge piece of long-term success. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. This dart is going to explain what consistency actually is, because we say it all the time. But what does it actually mean? And to me, it means stability, okay, within our lives, not just within our diet, right? And what is stability? And this dart's gonna show us. Stability, this dart is a beautiful example of stability, right? If this dart starts to tip forward, the wind will come and catch it and level it back out, right? If it starts to go up, the same thing. The wind comes in and it levels it out. Okay, so it's a very simple structure that shows us what stability is. If we move the feathers on the dart and we draw them somewhere in here, that obviously is not going to work. That's now unstable. That's when you fail the diet. That's when you've tried everything and eventually you throw your arms up and you say, I can't do this anymore, right? That's not stable. It's not consistent. So what we want to do is we want to create a system within your life, within your body that allows you to be consistent and stable so that when life throws hurdles, when life throws curveballs at you, you're able to adjust and adapt so that you can do this for life. And that's exactly what we do with our coaching clients is we take what they're doing and we look at everything. This isn't just about macros. This isn't just about calories in versus calories out. It's not just about your training program, right? It's about all these stresses. We need enough stress to cause some change, but not so much stress that this dart starts to tumble all over the place. And so that's what we're trying to do with your training and nutrition program is we're trying to build consistency. And to build consistency, we're trying to build that stability, right? So that you can adapt to whatever life throws you. The kids have a game, you've got to go to work, whatever it may be. There's all these things, there are these hurdles that if there's no plan and if there's no consistency, and if we're only looking at calories and macros or intermittent fasting or whole foods diet, that we don't have a plan in place to adjust to life's stresses. Right? That's what consistency and stability is all about. And that's the secret to long-term success.